Move right in and start enjoying the Smith Mountain Lake lifestyle. This beautifully renovated lake access home has been meticulously maintained, making it the perfect full-time residence, weekend getaway, or investment opportunity. Extensive renovations completed in 2018 to 2019 include a new roof, HVAC system, appliances, expanded composite deck, sunsetter automatic awning, crown molding, and completely remodeled bathrooms taken down to the studs and rebuilt with quality finishes. Recent updates include new LVP flooring, new deck railing west/solar lights. Outside, relax or entertain on the oversized deck overlooking the lake. Located in one of the lake's most desirable water access communities.